with my best friend on Zoom here.
Hi.
Okay.
Don't sleep away the daylight. I know the dark won't guide me home. It's gonna be alright. You're gonna lead me right back home. Am I just afraid to be alone?
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be unboxing this Kids Lab moon torch thingy. And I think it's related to space and stuff, so check out and stay tuned till the end of the video. And I'm also here with my best friend on Zoom here.
Hi.
Okay, so let's start. So basically, I think there's like this torch, and we could have this paper to create like motion stuff too. And there's also like a pen. So let's look at the back of the box. Okay, so we'll try it. This is cool, you know? I don't know, it's like,
This is
night. I don't know, it's like this night writer, which I'm really excited to check out. So yeah. So let's start making this. So what you get in the box is this plastic thing. I don't know what this is. I don't know. There's this. I think there's like paper where you write the night writer thingy. Where you use it. Is that? Do you think that's it? That's where you write the night writer. I think that is. I don't know what that is.
maybe.
This is like a glow in the dark thingy. Maybe. Let's see. Oh, I need scissors. Where's my scissors? Okay. Okay. So we're gonna open this. My scissors not working. I don't need my scissors. Okay.
Scissors, maybe.
Okay. So basically, you get that thingy, and you also got this thing, which is basically like how Kids Lab are helping people in the world. So yeah, so it's really good. Kids Lab is helping, and basically you get instruction manual how to do it. So, whoa, I'm totally not reading the whole thing because look at how many words there are. It's like in different languages, so you don't really need to read all of them. Look at this. This makes me dizzy already.
Oh my god. That's too much. That's too much. It will probably take a year to read it all.
Yes, and to understand it because it's in different language. Okay, so you also get this. I don't know what this is. Oh, I think this is a stop motion thingy. Cause I tried this in Disney Studio Paris. There's this spinny thingy, and once you put the motion thing in it, and you spin this thing, it becomes like motion and stuff.
Yeah.
Look at this video too. This is me in Paris.
Like the aquarium, yeah. The wing is dripping. Nice.
Okay, so what you get in this thing, this plastic, so you get this hollow tube thingy, so you can connect it to this one. There's like a torch, but it needs batteries to work. So I don't think the batteries are included. Let me read the box later. So you just need to like, yep, this thing is a little. So yeah, why is everything in low battery? What's happening? Why can't I plug this? It's technical difficulties, everybody. Don't worry, we'll figure it out. Sorry. The heck? What's happening? Why can't I put this? Okay, so we're back. Sorry for that. Just now my battery was bad. So basically, we're gonna open this. So this is a torch, and I think we need batteries. We do need batteries. So it says there. And let's see if it actually works without batteries. Okay, so it's like a little moon torch, just like this thing. That's cool. Okay, we just have to pull the paper. And I'm thinking, oh wait, it's working. I think because there's like batteries. They give like one battery. I think like it's working. Yay, it's working. Whoa. Okay, enough playing with the battery will end. So we also get this thing, which is kind of like a pen thing, you know, like the top of the pen, so you can just like secure it here. And there's this tape. I think this is for the night writer thingy. So yeah, let's open that too. So my table's a mess right now, so yeah, I don't have any place to put it. So, oh my gosh. I don't know how to open this. Sorry, headphone users. Okay, it's only like one sheet of this plastic, I think. I don't know. This is like glow in the dark. I'm gonna try to turn off the lights, but it's in like afternoon, so I don't think you can. Okay, wait. Gotta turn off everything. So this curtain here. Okay, it's kind of dark. I mean, it's not really shining, I guess, because it's so like shining. Is it shining? I don't know. I guess it's kind of brighter than just now. Okay, I'm gonna do the rest of the thing in the dark. This is so cool. So look at it. It's like literally a moon. Look at it. Like, see? It's a moon. It's not like normal torch. It's like a moon. Must have like a passenger or something. It's cool. It's cool. Moon torch. That's why it's called moon torch. It's a moon torch. Okay, so first I'm gonna try to figure this night writer thingy. Okay, let's try. Okay, I'm scared. How about this doesn't work? Okay. Whoa, that is so cool! Whoa, Sarah! Sarah! I'm freaking out! Whoa, I'm freaking out. This is cool. But I don't know how to erase it. It's probably the problem I have. Well, I don't know. I think it's starting to fade away. It's the only problem I have. Wait, how do you even erase this? Wait. Oh! Okay, it's erased. No light. Light.
And what do you use to erase?
It's not real. It's like fading away. The more like there's more light, the more it fades away. So it's literally like glow in the dark, guys. It's so cool. Okay, here I'm gonna write my name. Ooh. It's like Pictionary.
Oh, I can see it from the back.
Oh. See, I'm writing my name, but like at the back, it's like, whoa. It's hard to write on these, but like, cause like, it's starting to fade away if you can see that. And so, you just like that, and it starts fading away. You can literally just draw on here. So it's kind of cool. So yeah, it's really cool actually. Okay, so I'm gonna let that stay there for a while.